Many of us grow up to follow in our parents' footsteps in one way or another. Dr. Alfred Johnson is no different.
My mother and father were both physicians. I grew up not knowing what else to do as a physician.
But what is different for Dr. Johnson is where he found his passion.
I would go to some medical conventions with them and ran into a physician that did environmental medicine. And that's where we look at how the environment affects individuals.
From molds to foods, pollens, chemicals, and toxins we live with every day, Dr. Johnson has dedicated his life to finding out what's at the root of each person's illness.
40% of the population is predisposed to allergies of some sort. I can see how important it is to understand in the medical field the cause and effect relationships and to look a little farther than just giving the latest pill to somebody.
As far as how he doctors, it is a little bit different. I know that just as a person, he really genuinely cares about everyone who walks through the door.
His daughter Mallory recently came on full-time, but says that she's been around his practice all her life.
It's nice to know that you're working for someone who's upright and wanting to do what's best by his patients and his staff. He really does look at things in a holistic way.
I like to look at the big picture. It's fun. It's really interesting to go through that mystery and come up with solutions, because that's our purpose, is to help people. Each individual has their own goals, and if you're able to help them, that is really a good feeling, something that I am passionate about.
So whether you're feeling great and just in for a checkup, or you're taking a trip to see him after nothing else has worked, Dr. Johnson has some advice.
In your daily life and daily activities, pay attention to what you're doing and to potential effects that either the situation, the environment, or what you're doing may have on you.
Good advice for all of us to follow. In Richardson, I'm Sarah Strackhouse for Real News.